If you're searching for the best AI email generator that's just been released, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to give you 7 crucial things you need to know about this new software, which could transform your email marketing efforts. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly why this tool is generating so much buzz and how it can save you tons of time and effort with just a few clicks. Before we dive in, you can actually try this AI email generator for free through the first link in the description below. No need for a credit card, just jump in and see how it works for yourself. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that this free AI email generator is super intuitive, which means you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. The interface is clean, easy to navigate, and the setup is almost immediate. Unlike many other AI tools out there, you won't get lost in a sea of complex features. Now let's talk about the power behind the AI. This software uses the latest machine learning models to craft email content that actually converts. It analyzes the tone, structure, and call to action to create personalized emails that will resonate with your audience. Whether you're writing a promotional email or a customer outreach message, the AI makes sure it hits the mark. One of the best features is its versatility. You can generate different types of emails, from sales pitches to welcome emails to follow-ups and even thank you notes. This is ideal for anyone running email campaigns at scale, saving you from having to write every message by hand. It's a true game changer for digital marketers who want to boost productivity and streamline their processes. Another key benefit is that it's completely free to start using, as I mentioned earlier. No hidden fees, no complicated pricing structure to navigate. Just jump in and see for yourself how it fits your needs. You can generate unlimited emails, which is especially great for anyone who needs to send a high volume of personalized outreach. It's also got great customization options. You can input your specific brand tone or even specify the style you want, whether that's formal, casual, or even humorous. The AI adapts to your needs, so every email feels like it's written just for your brand, which really helps with engagement and conversions. Now, let's talk about its time-saving features. If you've ever written hundreds of emails in a row, you know how exhausting it can be. This software automates the process, allowing you to create high-quality emails in a fraction of the time. What would normally take you hours can now be done in minutes, leaving you with more time to focus on strategy and growing your business. And here's something you're going to love. This AI email generator also integrates with other tools. If you're already using email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit, you can easily import your emails from the AI generator and send them directly to your audience. This seamless integration ensures your workflow stays smooth without any hiccups. Before we wrap up, remember that you can try this free AI email generator for yourself by clicking the link below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my top recommendations, and this one is definitely worth checking out. It's packed with features and a great addition to any marketer's toolkit. If you're looking to level up your email marketing with AI, this software is definitely one to watch. Check out the full list of my recommended AI tools in the description, and don't forget to test this out while it's free. Trust me, it's an absolute game changer for boosting your email campaign results. Thanks for watching.